Okay, so please tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I have selected all these photos with the tag. See, here's a tag. This one's tagged. This one's tagged. This one's tagged. And then I tried to select all the tagged ones and move it over to Lightroom, and that didn't work. So then I went through all the tags and manually added 3 stars to each of those photos. So I'm going to do image. I think how I do this. Okay, select, rating 3 stars. Okay, so here now I've selected all the ones that have 3 stars. Okay, now I want to edit photos with Lightroom, and ask me, do I really want to edit all the selected photos? And I click yes. So now it's gonna open Lightroom here. That's going to take just a sec. Here we go. Chugga, chugga, chugga. And it's almost there. And that's my last session. Just waiting. Okay. And look, it just selects the one photo. Nothing else is selected. What did I do wrong? I have no idea what I did wrong.